Alright, so the first thing I did was went ahead and separated my hair into sections. I find it easier when working with my natural hair. If I separate it into sections, I can work on the smaller pieces at a time. And then I went ahead and applied my water, and my water is my liquid in this LOC method. I also continued to detangle my hair using my fingers as I applied the water. I then applied my oil, my castor oil. My hair loves thicker oils and thicker products, so I chose castor oil for my oil this time. And I continued to separate my hair into smaller pieces, making sure that each small section was coated in a nice thick oil. I then used my photogenic hair product, and I used that as my cream. And I just applied a generous amount to my hair, making sure that each strand was coated and moisturized. After that, I went ahead and flat twisted my roots and did a 2-strand twist at the end just to make sure that moisture was sealed into my hair. And I also went back in and used some more of the photogenic cream to apply it to my ends to make sure my ends were nice and sealed as well. Yeah, and there you have it, a nice juicy twist, a nice juicy moisturized twist. And then I just repeated the same steps to other sections of my hair. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and talk about the products that I used for my hair. The reason why I use this photogenic hair product is because it coats, conditions, and moisturizes. It just does so many things. It's like a gel, but it also moisturizes your hair. And this hair product, like, it does it all. I feel like this is everything that you need in one product. So the first ingredients listed in a product are what's the most of it, what it consists of the most, and as you get down to the bottom, that has the least amount. Water is the ingredient that is the most in this product, and then the second is carbomer. And after looking it up, carbomer is in a lot of gels, and I don't believe it's terrible for your hair, but I also don't think it's too great for your hair. It causes some people flaking and things like that. I never have a problem with flaking for this particular product, but after that it's shea butter, then coconut oil, and then we go into the rest of the products here, ingredients here. So I'm not super stoked that carbomer is the second ingredient here. That means that is the second most ingredient in this whole product, but it is a gel kinda, so I understand why it would be the second ingredient here. So as for my castor oil, I just use straight up castor oil. I don't even use the Jamaican black castor oil or anything like that. I use like the real deal. And the reason why I use this oil is because I do appreciate how thick it is. With me learning my hair, I've learned that thicker oils and thicker products work better for my hair than thinner ones do. So castor oil is great. It's a great thick oil. Castor oil is great for hair growth. It's a thick oil that can help seal your hair and seal your ends. It helps to seal damaged split ends. It has fatty acids and vitamin E in it. It's also great for moisturizing, especially after you use water. So after I apply the water to my hair, I put on my castor oil. So that castor oil is just sealing in that moisture, that water that I put into my hair, and then putting this on my hair afterwards, it just further sealed in the castor oil in the water, further moisturizing my hair. But I just wanted to give you guys some little information about the hair products that I use and why I use them. So let's just get back into the video. Girl, he just had to come in and be in my video. But y'all, get you a man that celebrates your natural hair, that celebrates your natural beauty. He loves my natural hair, and I think that just makes it that much easier for me to embrace it when you have people around you that celebrate you and your natural beauty. Okay, let me finish. Get out of here. Alright, so then I decided I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do my edges. I used my photogenic styling cream, and I tried to do my edges the best way that I could, and I tried my best, okay? And that's all that really matters. And then I went ahead and used this paper strip to put around my edges to make sure that they dried in place the way that I swooped them. And yeah, there we have it. We have our finished moisturized hair. I'm going to see you guys in the morning once my hair is complete, just to let you guys know how the moisturizing process went, if it was a success or not. I am back. It is now the morning time. I want to go ahead and take down my hair on camera because it is important to me to make sure that I am moisturizing my hair right. So I'm just going to take it down, see how my hair feels, and see if my moisturizing process was worth it. Okay, so my edges can use a little bit of work. I am only just now starting to learn how to do my edges, so they could use some work, but I'm glad that I attempted to do it. So already I can tell that my hair feels a lot better than before. Before it was just super crunchy and super dry. I mean, I've taken this one down and it feels pretty nice. This is what moisturized hair is supposed to feel like, yes. Okay, so right away I can tell you guys that my hair feels so much better than it did yesterday. So my hair feels so nice. I am so glad that I moisturized it yesterday. This is a major difference. It's no longer crunchy. It just felt really dry. It wasn't super soft anymore, and now my hair, it feels good. And the reason why I love using that photogenic cream and my castor oil is because it makes my hair feel like it's coated in something. It's almost like a waxy type of feeling. My hair just feels like it's nice and coated. So now when I go out in this cold, harsh weather, I feel like my hair is going to be protected because of the products that I put on it. Now my hair feels like it's been loved, it's been taken care of. Sometimes you need to learn your hair. You need to ask your hair, like, look, what do you need? Do you need some water? Do you need some oil? Tell me, let me know. Maybe you need all three: liquid, oil, cream. You need it all. And my hair needed all of that, okay? My hair is moisturized. I think that was a successful moisturizing regimen, and I'll probably definitely do it again. It has worked well for me. I haven't been outside yet. It is really cold outside. I don't really know how my hair is going to do out there in the weather, but as of right now, my hair is moisturized. It feels good. It feels like it's coated in oil and it's not too oily, as you can see, and I'm proud of it. I am definitely proud of it. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope this was educational and informative to you guys. My hair feels very moisturized. It feels nice. So I know that if you try this out too, it will work out great for you and your hair. Feel free to comment down below. Share this video with a friend. Like this video. Remember to follow me on my Instagram at Coco Dumpling and on my Twitter at It's BuzzBee. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Peace. You